seronok lagi. Dia lagi seorang. Tak habis-habis lah. Dia nak mandi dengan snack pula. Cheese ball tutup. Makan. Bukan untuk mandi. Membazirlah dia ni. If you don't listen to me, I will call my best friend Zarif. He will slap you again. Membazirlah dia ni. Janganlah mandi dengan cheese ball. Cheese ball tutup. Makan. Bagilah orang Palestin makan. Kesianlah orang Palestin.
So delicious. Yeah.
Habislah kau. Nanti cheese ball tu kena baju lah.
Alright, here we go. Here's another one.
Another one.
And another one. And another one. Another one. Another one. Alright, doing two at once. Yes.
Apa ya? No. Yo, bro, don't waste the food. Why you taking shower with cheese ball on your bathtub?
Alright, last but not least, the last one. Say cheese. Look at all these cheese balls. Wow. Look at my clothes. They're all cheesy. Alright, you know what this calls for. A cheesy cannonball.
Janganlah kau ni. Yo, don't play with your food.
Juice if you want some. Oh, this is like a cheesy bed.
Cheese ball not
Let me make a cheese
take
real
a
quick.
bath or playing.
I love
Cheese
it.
ball used to eat,
set for the
no
whole week on
play.
Hey guys, if you want some cheese balls, you're welcome to come over because like I have a lot. All right, Olympic
Cheese
diving.
ball tutup. Makan bukan untuk mandi. Kenapa lah kau ni? Gila lah. Gila lah kau ni kan.
Woo! Row your boat gently down the cheese.
If you don't listen to me, I will call Zarif. Zarif, tengok orang tu lagi. Dia tengah mandi dengan snack cheese ball dalam bathtub ni. Tahu pun takut.
This is great. Like, look at my legs. Look at that. Moisturizing at its finest. What's underneath all these cheese balls? Here we go.
Habislah baju kau. Kena cheese ball.
Just more cheese balls. Woo!
Hey yo, don't play.
Yo, so sick. Wow. This is great.
Habislah bathtub dia ni.
Wow.
Dah lah kena cheese ball. Siapa nak bersihkan? Dia dah membazir zaman sekarang ni.
Comment down below. What should I fill my bathtub next? Alright, until then, stay juicy.
Membazir lah dia ni. Dah lah. Kau dah gila.